I've been waiting to make this video for years now. I do not possess the ability to look into the future, but what I do know is the European Union, as long as it exists, is the biggest market of the world, the stable market of the world. Hi, I believe in 2026 there will be a golden opportunities for European companies, founders and startups. Let me explain. My name is Thomas and I'm the founder of the Koalitionsvertrag. We believe that new products are necessary to shape the future, that only with new products we can share the prosperity within our societies. Today, we want to look ahead and see the opportunities of 2026, and we want to remind the founders and the management teams of the various companies within the European Union to start to prepare for 2026. Who am I? My name is Thomas, and for the last 15 years I ran dozens of projects, creating hundreds of millions of euros of revenue for various products, and I'm a firm believer that embedded products, the IoTs, the smart devices are just starting to unlock. So I'm now on an outreach for people like you that want to create and to build in 2026. As it might now look dire and the lookout looks more confused than ever, I believe that companies focusing on the European market have a true advantage not seen in a generation. What do I mean? Peter Zeihan, that I'm following now for years, called for the end of globalization markets. It's also known as a fragmentation. As nations have risen since the 90s and now rivaling the prosperity of America and Europe, the feel of loss was felt in a lot of societies. And I believe that after a 5 years period where one could say we lost a bit of our track, and the answers of those societies in Europe and America led to the rise of the woke right and Liberation Day just in the last couple of days. A blanket tariff reciprocation that breaks all after World War II understanding of global trade. But for us Europeans, today Germany's government announced that it will be a stabilizing factor for the European Union and for Germany, and the government proposals that they are making are pretty straightforward, concentrating on enabling companies to work again. It means that our European market and those of us that have European companies, it has a great advantage. For the first time, we are not competing on price with America or the Asian Pacific region. We can now point to national interest and national security to fend off competition. We still need to woo our customers. We still need to create product that is delighting to use. But this once in a generation opportunity that opens up in 2026 should be seized. And that's why today we are starting with our outreach program. We are seeking the next generation of bold founders, of bold management teams, those bold individuals in the European market and create European products that are a beacon of freedom, because we are in dire need of more IoT, of smart devices that help us to update 5 decades of industry. Is an opportunity that should not be missed. So, if you believe that Europe might be at the cusp of a bull run, do reach out and let's work together and find the founders and find the companies that will define the next decade. We have a limited time, We have to start now, so we will be ready for the markets in 2026. Thank you.